So many people, barrel racers, just horsemen alike, big fans of this horse. C4 Tibby Stinson, NFR horse of the year. 2009 Sorrel Mare by Eddie Stinson out of Little Fancy Granny, and Little Fancy Granny is out of by the same stallion that we had a moment ago on the bottom side. Pustins out of Del Puerto Bill on the bottom side of this one. Kelly Conrado owns and rides Keene, North Dakota. And is the breeder. Had a 22, 143 in round number 1. That was a 17 with a barrel down. 17, 295, 17, 295.